Users of Shape software always ask, what is a Shark Tank and how do I use it? A Shark Tank is just a list view for neglected records to land in so that other users have the opportunity to claim those neglected leads and work them. Really helps a lot with records falling in the cracks and not being worked appropriately. You can increase competition, give your other users the ability to claim those leads and work them from there. So by default in your system, you will have a Shark Tank. It's just called a record pool. And if you open it up, it will follow the default rules for the Shark Tank that are already set up. Of course, these are customizable, and we'll go over that in a second. But from here, they can look at all the records that are currently up for grabs and simply scroll to the right to find the action column. And if they're interested, they can claim that lead and it'll reassign it to that user for them to work. But you'll probably want to adjust your Shark Tank to work more in line with your business. And that can be done from your settings under custom configurations and Shark Tank. You'll have the choice between Shark Tank 2.0 and Shark Tank 1.0. 1.0 is just a basic Shark Tank, and 2.0 has a lot more filtering capabilities on it. So you'll probably want to use 2.0. 1.0 is really for legacy accounts. So from here, you will see your record pool rule. Under leads, it's the list view we were just on. From here, you can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it. We'll go ahead and hit the pencil icon to edit it. First thing you'll notice is you can have it as a list view or a pool queue view. So if you want a pool queue, you can submit that. And now you have a get lead button at the top. So if you don't want users to be able to go into the list and cherry pick, you can pull or set up a pull queue button, and users can click that button and it'll just pull something out of the Shark Tank for them. Let's hop back in our record pool, and you can set an hourly cap, what record type the Shark Tank is for, and you can specify it to specific teams or departments or users if only specific people should have access to it. And once done, all you have to do is set up rules to tell Shape what to pull into the Shark Tank. So if we look at new leads up for grabs, you'll see we are only choosing leads in the status of new. We can exclude statuses, include specific marketing channel types, specific sources, and records with specific tags as well. You can get really specific with what records show up in your Shark Tank for being reassigned. And down at the bottom is where you will find the different field filter rules to get even more specific. So you could say the record has been assigned within the last, let's say, 24 hours, so one day, and hasn't been called by their user in the last, let's say, last call attempt date is not within the last 24 hours as well. So if they get assigned a new lead and they don't call it within that first 24 hours, then it is available in the Shark Tank for users to go in and claim. It'll still be assigned to the user it was originally assigned to. So if they call it, it can pull it out of the Shark Tank within that time period. But once a user claims it from them, then it will no longer be theirs and will be available to be claimed. We hope this video helps. Just reach out to us at support@setshape.com if you need any help setting up your Shark Tank. We're more than happy to help and hope you have a great rest of your day.